Recording. Dispatch recording.
Clear ID for video surveillance and collecting photos. Give me the 21.
How can I help you? I'm sorry? From who?
We don't really know the guy's name.
Okay.
Okay. He's using a private number, but we only know one person that has that phone number.
So why do you answer it?
185.
Well,
Y'all was signal 37 at East Channel Rain Right and South Channel Rain Right. It's 38.
What are they saying? Just tell me what they're saying, man.
threatened to kill him.
For what?
We somehow or another got on the bad side of a bunch of idiots on YouTube. Okay? This has been an ongoing thing for months. And
Just tell me.
And they're
men's private parts, black men's private parts. And we got about 20 of them. We were talking in the room about how you can fight trolls.
Fight what?
Fight trolls.
That's what they call them on YouTube.
How you can fight hackers. How you can protect yourself. And we're having a great chat. And then also we started getting emails. And they're threatening my family. They're threatening my ex-husband. You've seen the things we put up?
No, what? What did you put up?
Anyone coming to deliver any food here will be arrested.
Why?
We've been getting all kinds of food delivered.
$2,000 worth of food since January.
Was delivered here?
Yes, yeah. DoorDash and everything. We're owing for it. We're not paying for it. I've called all the Pizza Huts. I've called all the food companies.
Right.
Wait a minute. I just got another email.
So that 79 is going to be in reference to the 1015's vehicle. I need 79 off the total list, please.
I copy.
143.
143.
Have we ever been at this location? Any signal 9?
That one was from South Carolina.
Right. Why don't you just block them? What is it? What is it?
We block them. We have blocked them.
Hold on, man. I'm sorry, they were talking. Go with that again.
They usually go up to the PD. They have report after report with detectives.
Yes, we do.
Bertrand, go to B. Y'all give me a minute, okay? Yes, ma'am.
The sheriff's department is now involved in this.
Okay.
Gave them a big case of all the emails and
Well, we're not the sheriff's office. We're the city.
I know that. I don't know why
Can you give me a rundown of what I'm dealing with here?
A bunch of craziness about some swamp people stuff over the internet, YouTube videos, and people threatening her over some kind of laws.
Yeah, she's saying that, but none of it's making much sense, honestly. She's also saying something about thousands of dollars in DoorDash orders that's being delivered to their residents.
Yeah, I did a report like a week ago for the DA's office, but she said the FBI was supposed to take over it, so.
Well, she's not requesting the sheriff's office, but I don't want to have them come out for this foolishness.
Just tell her she can follow up with that last report. She's already got a report and another report that's already been sent to the DA's office.
10-4. So we actually got officers doing reports for this?
So we have 2 of them, because she won't stop coming up to the CD.
Copy. All right, so you guys got an active report already out, apparently, right? Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I don't know if y'all dealing with the sheriff's office, y'all dealing with us. Sounds like y'all dealing more with the sheriff's office, but sounds like y'all also do have some reports through us. Whatever you submit your statement form, attach all that new information to that statement form, okay? And that's how we're gonna handle that. All right. I guess just stop blogging, man. That's just you cannot listen. I'm gonna be honest with you. No one ever told you this. We can't keep coming out here for this. You can't keep going to the station for things like this. You have to find a better outlet. You cannot, if you can't blog without creating controversy in your life, then don't blog. All right, or don't be a controversial blogger. If you want to be, hey, hold on, listen. If you want to be a controversial blogger, then you got to set what comes along with those.
A controversial blogger.
Someone's a controversial blogger.
She does crafts on there.
Okay, well listen, we
can't hate her for it.
Okay, we cannot keep tying up law enforcement with this.
Have a good night.
All right, don't call back. Thank you. Hey, just forward. I told you what to do.
I'm in here. I'm gonna blow his fucking head off.
You should do that. And if you go to jail, you go to jail.
They're doing this to call y'all out here tonight.
Right.
And what they did is last month they took the body cam footage and put it all over YouTube.
How they got our body cam footage?
Huh?
How did they get our body cam footage?
FOIA.
FOIA. Now, Internal Revenue, the lady officer, called me a bitch in her car.
I don't know who did that. I'm not a lady officer.
The officer of the day or whoever Internal Rev said the body cams are not supposed to be released with my name on it.
Okay, I don't know. That had nothing to do with me, ma'am. All right.